First you'll need to pull the A-pillar towards yourself inside the cabin. Inside, guys, you will see two clips. There is one on the top. This one has this long tail and we'll need to use needle nose pliers to remove it. And there is also another one in the middle, which I'll try to show you, and that one already came off. And now the panel is off. Again, guys, we have two clips, one with a long tail and a regular clip. To remove the one with the long tail, we had to press on two sides of the clip, and then you'll be able to so you have to press and pull at the same time, and this will allow you to remove this clip. And when you guys reinstall the panel, make sure that you push the clip all the way inside, and only after this we'll be able to reinstall it back. And here we have the airbag. This is how it looks. Also, we have a couple of connectors. And now we can install the A-pillar panel. We'll start with this end. There are a couple of hooks which will go in there. Make sure that clips align. And then you simply push it in all the way.